Olivia Barnum. I'm Sophia. And I'm Alexis. And today we're doing an American Girl doll video. In here we have Chloe, and here we have McKenna and Isabel. McKenna is mine.
Cute.
Isabel is mine. And Chloe is mine.
Nice, ladies.
Let's get started.
They're going on a journey.
Put it down so I can see. And this is about the American Girl dolls going on a camping trip. Go.
Where are they going camping at?
They're going in a
She is ready to go, Chloe and Julie.
Lake. They're going at a lake.
Nice. Looks like they're ready to go with or without you. Have you reached your destination?